Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest hacking tools for Kali Linux and Termux in 2025. These tools are designed to push the boundaries of ethical hacking, giving security researchers, pen testers, and tech enthusiasts like you the power to explore vulnerabilities and strengthen systems. From network reconnaissance to web application testing, we'll be uncovering the features, capabilities, and real-world applications of these tools. Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a tool that's all about network domination. Imagine having a real-time map of all the devices connected to a network, their vulnerabilities laid bare. We're talking detailed device identification, including operating systems, open ports, and even running services. This tool goes deeper, allowing you to analyze network traffic, pinpoint potential weaknesses, and even simulate attacks. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, giving you the insights you need to lock down your systems. We'll be diving into the specifics of how to use this tool effectively. Whether you're a network administrator, a security consultant, or just someone who wants to understand their home network better, we're talking intuitive interfaces, clear visualizations, and a learning curve that won't leave you feeling lost. Stay tuned, because up next, we're diving into the world of web application security. Now, let's talk web application security. Web apps are vulnerable, with attackers constantly probing for weaknesses. Tool 2 acts as a shield, guarding your web applications from cyber threats. It identifies vulnerabilities and patches them in real time. Using machine learning, it adapts to evolving threats. It's like having a dedicated security team behind the scenes. We'll explore Tool 2's custom rules, policies, and reports. Tool 2 fortifies your web applications against sophisticated attacks. Up next, we'll delve into the realm of social engineering. Let's face it, sometimes the weakest link in the security chain is us, humans. That's where social engineering comes in, and Tool 3 gives you the power to understand and even simulate these tactics ethically. We're talking phishing campaigns, fake login pages, the works. Tool 3 allows you to create realistic phishing simulations, track click rates, and identify potential vulnerabilities within your organization. It's like holding up a mirror to your security practices, revealing blind spots and areas for improvement. Tool 3 also helps you craft security awareness training programs, empowering your team with the knowledge and skills to spot and report suspicious activity. So whether you're a security professional, a business owner, or just someone who wants to protect themselves and their loved ones from online scams, Tool 3 is an invaluable resource. Up next, let's dive into password security with a Powerhouse tool. Chapter 4. Tool 4. Password Cracking Powerhouse. Passwords, the bane of our digital existence, but also the gateway to our valuable data. Tool 4 is all about testing the strength of those passwords, ethically, of course. We're talking brute force attacks, dictionary attacks, even leveraging rainbow tables. This tool is meant for testing your own systems, understanding common password vulnerabilities, and implementing stronger password policies. Tool 4 gives you a glimpse into the mind of an attacker, showing you how easily weak passwords can be cracked. It supports various cracking methods, from brute force to dictionary attacks, and even allows you to create custom word lists tailored to your target. So, whether you're responsible for securing a network or just want to make sure your own passwords are up to snuff, Tool 4 is an essential tool in your arsenal. Chapter 5. Tool 5. Wireless Network Analysis. Wireless networks, they're everywhere, but how secure are they really? Tool 5 is your Wi-Fi analysis companion, giving you the power to scan, analyze, and troubleshoot wireless networks like a pro. We're talking signal strength mapping, packet sniffing, the whole 9 yards. Tool 5 allows you to visualize wireless networks in your vicinity, analyze signal strength, identify potential interference sources, and even capture network traffic for further analysis. It provides detailed information about each network, including encryption protocols, signal strength, MAC addresses, and more. This information can be invaluable for troubleshooting connectivity issues, optimizing network performance, and identifying potential security risks. So whether you're a network administrator, a security enthusiast, or just someone who wants to get the most out of their Wi-Fi, Tool 5 is an indispensable tool. Chapter 6. Tool 6. Mobile hacking made easy. Mobile devices were glued to them, but they're also vulnerable. Tool 6 brings the power of ethical hacking to your fingertips, literally. With Android app analysis, network traffic monitoring, and even some basic penetration testing, all from your smartphone. Tool 6 is designed for educational purposes, allowing you to explore the security landscape of your own devices and understand how to protect yourself from potential threats. With Tool 6, you can analyze installed applications, identify potential security risks, monitor network traffic, and even perform basic penetration testing exercises. So, whether you're a mobile developer, a security researcher, or just someone who's curious about the security of their mobile devices, Tool 6 is a valuable resource. Chapter 7. Tool 7. Exploit Development Essentials. Now we're getting into advanced territory. Tool 7 is for those who want to understand how exploits are created and how to protect against them. We're talking vulnerability research, shellcode writing, the whole shebang. Tool 7 requires a solid understanding of programming, operating systems, and network security principles. It's a powerful tool for experienced security researchers and penetration testers who need to develop custom exploits for specific targets. Tool 7 provides a suite of features for analyzing vulnerabilities, crafting exploits, and testing their effectiveness. Remember, developing exploits is a complex and challenging task. So, if you're ready to take your hacking skills to the next level and dive into the world of exploit development, Tool 7 is an invaluable resource. Chapter 8. Tool 8. Forensic Analysis Powerhouse. Data Recovery, Incident Response. Tool 8 is your digital forensics lab in a box. It's about piecing together the evidence, whether it's recovering deleted files, analyzing system logs, or tracing the steps of an attacker. This tool is invaluable for security professionals, system administrators, and anyone responsible for investigating security incidents or recovering lost data. With Tool 8, you can recover deleted files, analyze system logs, extract metadata from images and documents, and even create forensic images of hard drives for evidence preservation. It's like having a team of digital detectives at your disposal. Always use this tool responsibly and ethically, ensuring you have the necessary authorization before accessing or analyzing sensitive data. So, whether you're investigating a security breach, recovering lost data, or simply curious about the digital trails we leave behind, Tool 8 is an essential tool for anyone interested in the world of digital forensics. Chapter 9. Tool 9. Reporting and Documentation Made Easy. You've done the hacking, you've found the vulnerabilities, now what? Tool 9 is all about presenting your findings in a clear, concise, and actionable way. We're talking professional reports, vulnerability assessments, the kind of documentation that gets attention. This tool is essential for security consultants, penetration testers, and anyone who needs to communicate technical findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. With Tool 9, you can create detailed vulnerability assessments, outlining the risks, impacts, and recommendations for remediation. You can generate executive summaries that highlight the key findings and their business implications. Clear and effective communication is crucial in the world of cybersecurity. Tool 9 empowers you to bridge the gap between technical findings and actionable insights, ensuring that your message is heard and understood. Chapter 10. Tool 10. Staying ahead of the curve. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day, and the tools and techniques we use to combat them must evolve as well. Tool 10 is your secret weapon in the fight against cybercrime, providing you with the latest information, resources, and updates to stay ahead of the curve. Imagine a tool that aggregates information from various sources, including security blogs, vulnerability databases, and threat intelligence feeds. With Tool 10, you can subscribe to customized alerts, receive notifications about new exploits and vulnerabilities, and access a wealth of resources, including tutorials, articles, and research papers. Staying informed is crucial in the ever-changing landscape of cybersecurity. Tool 10 empowers you to stay ahead of the curve, anticipate emerging threats, and proactively defend your systems and data. That's it for today's video on the top Kali Linux and Termux hacking tools of 2025. We've covered a lot of ground, from network scanning to exploit development and everything in between. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.